Hey, I'm back, and this time I drew a house with 12 bedrooms. Look at my house with 12 bedrooms. See, house with 12 bedrooms. Isn't my drawing so awesome? See, that's also a house with 12 bedrooms. House with 12 bedrooms. I am just the best drawer ever. I'm going to see how much I'm going to make on this. So, 45, because I'm going to sell them all for $45, times, and I'll sell 369 whatever copies, and that will equal, I will lose $166,410. You know, right now I have 2 cents. That's going to be so awesome because I'll have negative $166,409.98. That would be so awesome. Yeah, look. And then I'll buy a house with 12 bedrooms. And that'll cost whatever. I really don't care. I just put in some random numbers. Oh, now I owe $25,820,855 with my 2 cents. Negative $25,820,854.98.